Alright folks, let's dive into the ultimate tool showdown: Snap-on versus Craftsman. These two brands are heavy hitters in the world of tools, and today I'm breaking down what sets them apart. First up, Snap-on, known for their premium quality and professional-grade tools. Snap-on has been the go-to for mechanics and pros for decades. The precision, durability, and lifetime warranty are hard to beat, but that quality comes at a price. Snap-on tools can be pretty steep, costing up to 3 times more than other brands. On the other hand, we've got Craftsman, a brand that's been a household name since the 1920s. With a reputation for reliability and value, Craftsman tools are a favorite among DIYers and weekend warriors. They offer a great balance between quality and affordability, and you can find them just about anywhere, including big box stores and online. Now let's talk specifics. When it comes to hand tools like wrenches and screwdrivers, Snap-on's ergonomic designs and precise manufacturing make them a joy to use, especially for long periods. Craftsman, though, offers solid performance for most tasks and won't break the bank. For power tools, Snap-on's cordless lineup is robust and built to withstand heavy daily use, making them ideal for the pro shop. Craftsman's power tools have come a long way too. Their recent improvements have made them more competitive, especially for DIY projects and home use. So which brand should you choose? Well, it depends. If you're a professional or someone who uses tools extensively and demands the best, Snap-on is worth the investment. But if you're a DIY enthusiast looking for solid performance without the premium price tag, Craftsman is a fantastic choice. That's it for today's tool showdown: Snap-on versus Craftsman. Drop your thoughts in the comments and let me know which brand you prefer and why. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tool comparisons and DIY tips. Thanks for watching.